The long-term social visit pass for investor or business investor. So what is that? So to the investor out there, this information is for you. Tak ada hujan, tak ada ribut, no rain, no storm. Now Immigration Department introduced a new long-term pass which is allowing all the investors to enter Malaysia for at least 6 months. So this is a new one which is initiated by the government of the day, and it's all available starting on 1st April, which is coming soon, okay? So actually this pass is make it easier for investors who are already have a commitment investment. All you have to do is just make online applications via My Expat Gateway as I shown here. So that's it. Ini adalah PAS lawatan sosial yang baru diperkenalkan pada tahun inilah, yang mana Menteri dah buat pengumuman pun sebenarnya pada minggu kedua Mac baru-baru ni. So, siapa yang layak nak mohon PAS pelabur ni? Okey, nombor 1, CEO, founders, pemegang saham yang melibatkan pelaburan. Okey, mungkin pengurus-pengurus development punya projek. Yang mana mereka yang layak mestilah mendapat surat kelulusan daripada agensi kawal selia. Okey? So, itu saja. Follow for more. Bye. Assalamualaikum.